Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change text or font color in Davinci Resolve. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To change font color in Resolve, open the Edit tab at the bottom and add your text into the timeline if you haven't already. Find your text in the timeline and click on it to select it. Now go to the Inspector tab in the top right. If you don't see this, click on where it says Inspector in the top right to open it. Within here, make sure you're in the Video tab and look for the color box. This will be the current color of the text, and if you click on it, you can select a new color in the new window. Once you have your color chosen, click on OK in the bottom right to change it. And so that is how to change text or font color in Davinci Resolve. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Windows PC. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.